This speedboat is basically the Bugatti of the water. The wildest part is not how luxurious the boat is, but the fact that it has 6 Mercury 510 high horsepower outboards hanging off the back. Each one has a 5.7-liter displacement and makes more than 400 horsepower. With all 6 running together, total output jumps to 2,500 horsepower. At that point, this is not a normal speedboat setup anymore. This is performance pushed all the way to the limit. It may not be some giant yacht, but once it gets moving, it is ridiculous. With all 6 engines firing at the same time, it can easily go over 93 miles per hour. A lot of cars on the highway would not even keep up. The moment the throttle goes down, the boat does not feel like it is just cutting through the water. It feels more like it is launching across the surface. So why put 6 engines on it? Because running multiple engines in parallel does not just give it more top speed. It also gives it much harder acceleration. It launches more aggressively, stays more stable at high speed, and has a lot more confidence when chasing fish offshore or racing across the water. And even if one engine fails, there are still 5 left pushing, so the sense of security offshore is on a completely different level from an ordinary speedboat. What makes it even crazier is that all of those outboards are mounted on the stern, so they do not take up any cabin space. That leaves a huge cockpit up front for fishing, relaxing, or throwing a party. And do not think it is only fast. At full throttle, the fuel burn is just as crazy. This thing is an absolute gas guzzler on the water.